Hi there, it's me again, Leanne from Boost English, and I'm here to give you more tips and tricks on how to improve your English skills. So in this video, I'll be covering tongue twister tips and tricks. All right, so let's start. First tip is for you to know which sound you need to focus on. May it be your L, your R, your P, your B, or your V sound. All right, so there, once you know which one you need to focus on or to really improve your pronunciation, then proceed to step number 2 or tip number 2. Okay, so once you have chosen, then next is for you to look for the tongue twister appropriate for that sound. So for this video, I'm choosing L because I'm Leanne and I know a lot of my students are having difficulties pronouncing the sound. Okay, so the tongue twister I chose is Lily, ladles, Letty's lentil soup. Okay, so once you have chosen the tongue twister you want to practice or you want to, help improve your pronunciation, your intonation, and overall diction, then let's proceed to tip number 3. Okay, so tip number 3 is very important, guys. Okay, so you need to understand what the tongue twister is about so you don't mispronounce or you don't get confused on the sound, and more importantly, so your brain can remember and your brain can distinguish the word and the corresponding pronunciation. All right, so this tongue twister, it's Lily, name of a person, ladle, they're Korean, Japanese, Chinese, so it's a verb, and yes, this is a ladle. So little Letty, name of a maybe little girl or a young girl. Okay, and then lentil soup. All right, so Korean and Japanese again here, and Chinese as well. So yes, so what does it mean literally, right? So take note, a lentil soup, and for it to not burn or to prevent the soup from burning or sticking at the bottom of the pot, you need to ladle. You need to mix it. Yes, mix it. All right. So once you have understood what the tongue twister is about, then proceed to step 4. You need to split or section the tongue twister based on your preference. May it be per word or in my case, per information, okay, or just per section. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So as long as you can, imagine that you're understanding, like piece by piece. All right, okay. So here, Lily, pronunciation, ladle, ladles, little, Letty or little Letty's, lentil soup. So I have 4 sections instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so just 4. Lily, ladles, little Letty's, lentil soup. Got it? Good. Moving on, number 5. So we have, once you have, understood each one or each part of the tongue twister, next is for you to read it slowly or recite it slowly and clearly. All right, so yeah, I think that's good. You have Lily, ladle, little Letty, lentil soup. Okay, so let's move on to tip number 6. All right, so for this tip, it's very important that you imagine that you're like telling a story. So tongue twister, what's happening? Oh, Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. There. So it's not monotonous. It's not just like little ladies, little. So it doesn't make sense. Your brain doesn't process that way. Okay. You need to have rhythm. So if you are an auditory learner, perfect. If you visualize what's happening in the story, then it hits you if you're, it reaches you if you're a visual learner. All right. And of course, reading and writing. And then kinesthetic, because you imagine, oh, ladle. Yeah. Lily, the mother, ladles, little Letty, so cute, lentil soup. So, 4 learning styles. Check, 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 check. Okay? All right. So, once you have done that, you have visualized the whole situation, then you repeat the tongue twister faster as you go. All right. So, ready? Lily, ladles, little Letty's lentil soup. You try? Good. All right. Next. Lily, ladles, little Letty's lentil soup. Good. All right. So now let's try. You can do this as many times as you want, as many times as your tongue is comfortable and your jaw is not stuck for that matter. And then, you just go through that. Okay, so one more time, and remember, you're telling a story. What's happening? Oh, Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. Okay, Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. So your brain also memorizes and it visualizes. Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. Right? Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. And then you just go as comfortable, and it helps. So this is what makes the tongue twister effective. All right. So once you have mastered the tongue twister, what's next, Leanne? Then of course you need to try another one. Challenge yourself. All right. So there, 8 tips. And to summarize again, what you need to do: know which sound you need to focus on. Choose the tongue twister. Try to understand what it's about. And then section them. Recite slowly and clearly. Imagine you're telling a story. Repeat 5 times, 10 times, 50 times, how many times you want. And then lastly, to continuously improve. All right, don't just stick to one. Don't just stick to Lily ladling little Letty's lentil soup. Okay, cook other things. Okay, so there. I hope that helps. 8 tips to boost your pronunciation. And yeah, don't forget, if you like this video, share it to your friends and leave a comment what pronunciation or what tongue twisters you need to practice on. Maybe Betty, who bought a bit of butter, but she found a butter bitter, whatever. Yeah, leave a comment, guys. Share, subscribe, and of course, see you on the next video. Bye!